Alright guys, I'm back. Trying to get used to this video editing and everything like that. But here's the back seat. It actually came out better than I thought. I mean, it's not dry yet, so I just couldn't get out that and that. I'll see after it dries, see what happens, see what it is. If it's gum or something, I'll get some ice and then take it off. But yeah, wow. It looks way better. And again, this is the driver one I just did. This one didn't come out half bad. But I am going to do the passenger one again because I'm not happy with that. So I'm going to do what I did on the driver's seat and the back seat. Use a really soft brush, and I think that helps it out a lot. So I'm going to redo this seat again, probably put you on time lapse again, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, as for the passenger seat, I think it came out a little bit better on the second time. It might even need a third cleaning, but a lot better. Way better. Alright, I think I'm gonna clean the mats now, shampoo them. I just washed them off with the pressure washer, but I think I'm gonna actually scrub them down, clean them, make them look even better. I should get the trunk mat for the IS tomorrow or Saturday, one of the two. And then after I clean the mats, I don't know if I film vacuuming, but yeah, vacuumed all up. So a lot better. So now I'm going to shampoo that right now. And all I use is Dawn. It's gentle. It's a degreaser. It cleans. It works great. And it smells good. If it's safe on animals, it's got to be safe on carpet. But yeah, I'm going to do that next. Be back. Wow. Interior is coming out nice. Vacuumed it again. Got more dog hair off, whatever it was, but wow. Look at that. Heck yeah. There's the back seats. Heck yeah. Loving it.